In this short video, we'll be discussing how to use the corpus of contemporary American English to find basic collocations. So to start with, we need to go back to the corpus of contemporary American English. By now, you should already have registered for your own student account. So just log into your account. Click on search. Now I'm logged in. The first thing you want to do is click on Collocates. So after you click on that, you'll see this space for word phrase, and then you'll see Collocates, and then you'll see a whole bunch of numbers here. So the first thing you want to do is go to word phrase and type in the word that you want to find collocations for. So I want to find, as an example, collocations for the word analysis. Okay, so we type in analysis, and I want to find the most common collocation or word that comes after the word analysis. So we know it's going to be analysis and some other word. So we just click on 1 to the right of this dark square. This dark square represents the word, so analysis, and we want to know what word most commonly comes after analysis. So we click on 1 and we click on find collocates. Okay, so we have this list of different collocations of this for this word analysis, and if we look at number 1, we find the word of. And we can see the frequency, or the number of times that of follows the word analysis, is 17,270 times. So this is extremely frequent. This is a very frequent collocation. So we can use analysis of as one of our collocations. Then we can also write for our other collocations, analysis revealed, which has 491. The frequency is 491. Analysis showed and analysis indicated. We can also use analysis using. But as you can see, the most common one is analysis of. So for your vocabulary journal, you can write analysis of, analysis revealed, analysis showed, and analysis indicated as your 4 or 5 collocations. If you want to see how the word is used in a sentence with the most frequent collocation, you can just click on the word here, click on of, and you can see thousands and thousands of different sample sentences where this collocation, analysis of, is used in different types of writing, such as academic journals and magazines. And you can kind of learn how to use the collocation correctly by looking through some of these sample sentences. And you can do this for every word that you ever want to know about. So if we go back to search, let's try to find a collocation, or the most common word that comes before analysis. So we're going to set this number here to 0, and we'll go to one word before analysis, and we'll find collocates. And it looks like the most common word that comes before analysis is the article an. And then we also have the next one, data. So we say an analysis, that's most common. The next most common is data analysis. If we look here, it's pretty frequent. And then we can say another collocation is factor analysis, regression analysis, statistical analysis, and so on. So again, we can look for collocations both before and after any word we want using the COCA.